So we've just completed all 6 spark plugs. I've rehooked the battery, the negative battery cable up right there. We're going to put the snorkel and air filter on. Before we do that, I will be making another video soon. Jeeps, Dodges in particular, have issues when throttle bodies get carboned up. As you can, I don't know if this is good enough light. Well, it's not. But there is a ton of carbon underneath this blade. Thanks, Tyler. I'm going to open this throttle blade. Can you shine down in there? Keep coming. Keep coming. Alright. Yeah, down below that blade you can see there's a ton of carbon in there. And what that does is it leads to misfires, especially with, it can dirty up the throttle sensor and cause issues. So look for that on the next video. We'll replace the intake tube and air filter cover in reverse order. Like so. And then just clip the snap rings on the top of the air box. Okay, we buttoned everything up and we're getting ready to fire this up and see how it runs. Go ahead. Seems to be running smoother. I don't see the engine shaking as much as it was before. I would assume that we would see probably a mile or two increase in miles per gallon based on what the plugs look like. So that is it. If you have any questions, post them below. I'll get to them when I can, and please subscribe and like. Thanks.